Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to install Windows 11 on Mac with UTM. So let's get started. First thing first, basically guys, UTM is a powerful and free virtualization tools that enables Mac users to run different operating systems on their machines without the need of dual booting or partitioning. UTM is built on top of QEMU, a well-known and widely used open source processor emulator and virtualization solution. So in order to do that, firstly visit the UTM official website and download the latest version of the UTM for macOS. Once downloaded, install UTM by dragging the applications into the application folder. Then simply open the UTM application on your Mac and click on the plus button in the top left corner to create a new virtual machine. After that, give your virtual machine a name and select Microsoft as the OS family and Windows 11 as the OS version. Then simply import Windows 11 ISO into UTM app. Then under the System tab, allocate the desired amount of RAM and CPU cores to the virtual machine based on your Mac's hardware resources. For a smooth experience, it's recommended to allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores. Then simply click on the Drives tab and add a new drive by clicking the plus button. Change the drive to CD or DVD and then click the Path button to locate and select the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Additionally, add another drive for storage with the type disk image and set its size according to your requirements. A minimum of 64 GB is recommended for Windows 11. Then simply click the Save button to save your virtual machine configuration. Then click the Start button to put up the virtual machine using the Windows 11 ISO. Within the virtual machine, follow the on-screen instructions to create a Windows bootable USB and install Windows 11 with it. You may need to create and format a partition during the installation process using the allocated disk space you set earlier. After Windows 11 has been installed, restart the virtual machine. Now you should be able to boot into Windows 11 within your UTM virtual machine on your Mac. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.